first presenter today is Miles Olson with Coconut Whisk Baking Company.
Hey everybody, I hope you're having a wonderful morning. My name is Bella.
Not Miles.
And we're Coconut Whisk. So a little bit about us. I'm a student at Mankato. I'm a senior this year, and I'm in the public health education program.
And I'm also a senior, and I'm studying psychology and human resources. Right, so who are we? Coconut Whisk is a vegan baking mix company. Our mission is to provide customers with high-quality, allergen-friendly baking options.
Just a minute before you get going, sorry to interrupt you, but
They got 'em on.
your sound is up.
Yeah. Oh,
Or not.
They just turned them on. They got it.
All right.
Oh, it was on, it was working. Can you hear me now?
Yep, yeah.
Right. Okay, so we are a vegan baking mix company. Our mission is to provide customers with high-quality, allergen-friendly baking options while also giving back to animal sanctuaries in Minnesota.
Alright, so imagine if you're vegan, gluten-free, or highly sensitive to anything and everything. You bring your own food to parties, and you probably annoy your friends and family because you can't eat anything. But we're the solution to that. So Coconut Whisk, all our products are nut-free, egg-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, and 3 out of 4 of our products are soy-free. And then in the future, we want to be the top 8 allergen-friendly company.
Right, so for our products, we envision our products to have high-quality ingredients within them. So after countless batches later and almost 100 hours in the kitchen, we finally created something that we're truly proud of. All of our products do not require you to use any animal products within them and do not include any animal products as well. Our products include chickpea flour, brown rice flour, organic coconut sugar, and other high-quality ingredients within them.
We're not just a product company, we're an experience company. So in this fast-paced world, we want to bring people back together in a sweet and simple way. So all of our products, the baking instructions are super simple. All you need are 3 ingredients: coconut oil, almond milk, and vanilla extract, and that's it.
So what makes us different from our competitors? Well, first, we're trying to cater to individuals who have allergies such as celiac disease and specific nut allergies, because those are starting to pop up left and right around here, and they're really serious diseases. There's also no brands who cater towards specifically plant-based and vegan individuals, so we're trying to kind of step our foot into that market. Also, we're trying to offer a subscription model besides just selling our products within stores. This is where our customers can receive recurring boxes of our products with recurring payments monthly. We also have a social mission as well. Bella will be talking about this in a few minutes. And also, we use real pronounceable high-quality ingredients. So none of those like crazy preservatives that you can't even pronounce on the ingredients when you read them on the back of the box.
All right, so let's talk about the vegan trends in Minnesota. There's actually a lot of businesses that are booming up that are becoming vegan, or they're just strictly vegan. There's J. Selby's, there's plant-based, there's herbivorous butcher, so there's restaurants, bakeries, and apparel companies. And so we want to be a part of this trend that's here to stay.
So stepping outside of Minnesota, let's look at the trends within the United States. The baking industry as a whole is a $27 billion industry. The vegan industry has $2.2 billion of sales annually. So if we just look at these numbers already, there's already a big market available. Also, 27% millennials ages about 18 to 28 have stated within a survey that it is important for them to have vegan options for their products and beverages as well. Some other interesting facts: there's been a 600% increase in individuals within the past 3 years who have claimed to be vegan and eat a plant-based lifestyle. Walmart, the world's largest retailer, has been asking their suppliers to supply them with more plant-based options because they acknowledge this big opportunity for them to make money. And Nestle, the world's largest food company, has also acknowledged that this trend is here to stay.
All right, so giving back is a huge part about our company, and so we are pledging to donate 5% of our net profits to animal sanctuaries in Minnesota, and then hopefully nationwide in the future. So for this quarter, we're doing benches, Last Hope, and Pharmacy, and then every quarter we're going to switch to different organizations.
So moving forward, talking about some logistics, we do have 1, 2, and 3 year goals. For our first year, we would like to launch our e-commerce website. We want to attend big events like the Twin Cities Veg Fest in St. Paul. It's a big plant-based event where you can reach out to other individuals within the community. We also want to continue with our influencer program. We do believe in the power of social media. It has helped us out so far, and we believe it's going to continue to help us out. We also want to finalize our manufacturing and distribution channels. We have found a commercial kitchen already thanks to Lisa at Blue Sky Farms a couple weeks ago. It's been helping us out a lot, thank you. And we also want to have a launch party because we believe that we deserve a drink or two with all the hard work we've been doing so far. 2 years, we want to find a co-packer so we can start mass producing our products and sending it out to other commercial retailers. And we want to finalize our subscription model that I was talking about earlier. Within 3 years, we'll know we have made it and have been successful when we are in Whole Foods, Fresh Time, and Amazon. We're not just going to be limiting ourselves to these three, but these are the main three goals here that we want to get into.
Yeah, so we believe that simple makes life sweeter. We're Coconut Whisk, and that's all for our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you so much.